This is Joe, Big Joe's Outdoors. A little filming after dark here. Farming after dark. All 8 of the little piglets are doing great. She is keeping that area nice and clean and set up for them to stay warm. But we have 29-degree weather coming. So I'm putting a tarp over the other side, which I'd never covered up. And some of the front, but not all of it. So, yeah. Well, I'm going to pause here and get back to showing you what it looks like when I get the tarp all done. Okay, I got the tarp up like I was looking to do. That's exactly what I wanted, just enough to keep most of the wind out and some of the heat in. But I need to carry some of these logs, or at least one decent one, to put on top of it, which ain't a big deal. But this is what it's going to come down to. So, yeah. That should be enough. She won't tear it down or eat it. And they'll have plenty of places to hide. Kind of got them spooked. They're all in the back, but they're doing good. And Mama didn't care when I went in the cage. She was busy eating. So, we're good to go. Thanks for watching.